SKS Signature range is a do-it-all range. It really literally does everything. It has a steam oven, a convection oven, gas cooktops that you can switch to wok, induction cooktop, and sous vide. We're actually going to use a sous vide today, and not in the water bath method. We're actually going to cook directly in the sous vide chamber, and we're going to make delicious mulled cider that will be ready for anywhere between like 2 hours to 10 hours. It's fantastic. Here's a little trick I used to put the clove in the orange, and that way it doesn't end up in your cup. This cider is delicious and super easy and a crowd pleaser every time. What you're going to do is you're going to use high quality apple cider or juice, about a gallon's worth, 1 navel oranges, 10 to 15 whole cloves, 5 cinnamon sticks. Now put it all in the sous vide chamber and let it simmer for 2 hours or up to 10 or more. For an adult twist, don't be afraid to add your favorite spirit. Thank you so much for following along. This will be the perfect addition to your fall party. Have a great day. Thanks so much.